guys, and welcome back to another dashcam review. Here we have Bestsee X9 dashcam at 1080p. Also has Wi-Fi. Check the side of the box. X9 dashcam and SD card, which is great. So let's open the box. User manual, 2 electrostatic stickers, car charger, trim tool to help hide the wires, M3 adhesive sticker, and here we have the main dash cam. Swivels 360 degrees, little tiny screen on that. Just look how small this is. This is very small. Oh. Also very light, so it should have no problem sticking to the windscreen. That's everything out of the box now. I forgot to mention the SD card is already pre-installed there, and it's a 32 gig, so that should last you probably about over 2 hours maybe on loop recording. Alright, let's power this on. Alright, so it's already started recording. Here we have the time, obviously the mic, you can probably turn that on and off, and then we have the Wi-Fi, and then I think that's just showing you SD card. So let's install the app now. Here in the booklet you would see has Android and iOS, so scan one of those, whichever phone you have. So let's install that now. This was super easy to install, and the password for it is 12345678. Let's get straight in and see what settings we have. Sound recording, on or off, speaker volume, video resolution, loop recording, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minutes, frequency, 50 Hz and 60 Hz, exposure compensation, time watermark, collision detection sensitivity, you can have that off, low, medium and high. Don't forget to format the SD card. Here you can do a live view of your dash cam, also you can start recording, take photo, camera files, where you can look back on some of your videos. You can also download. So the Bestsee X9 has a super sleek and compact design. You can easily see number plates and road signs. Not only is it small and affordable, but it also records in 1080p for great video quality. The current price is $49.99. It also has a voucher that you can apply that will give you 25% off on Amazon. Check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys.